Well, what do we have here? In just a few days, the 15th of June, the suplex Shogun Jackson Stone stomps his way back to East Jordan, this time for Mr. Chainsaw Pro Wrestling. And for old wounds, the Shogun is entering the Chainsaw Cup. Now, I love all kinds of cups. I mean, memorial cups, Grand Prix, big cups, small cups, plastic cups, copper cups, glass cups. Shogun loves it all. And trust that whoever steps in the ring gets suplexes back out. Shogun's ready to make his name. Follow the chants. Shogun, 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 Shogun.